Hello guys, welcome back to the Galaxy Lady, and today we're going to be doing some animal jam. Yay! Yes, you can tell I've just way too many copies of this, but let's just play. Let's play animal jam. No, I don't want to do that. I just want to play. See, now it's loading. Yay! So yeah, let's do some animal jam. Let's do this. Big mouth. Yeah. Just so you know, it glitches out a lot, so don't expect the best from it. Yay, guys, I'm a duck. Do you think I'm a cute duck? If you don't, then you deserve. I'm kidding, but yeah, I'm a cute duck. Don't say anything else. Can you still do codes? Yeah, redeem code. I hope I could use the same codes as you can on Classic. So I had some pretty good codes on Classic. Yes, you can still use it on this version. I know how to do this. Okay, you guys can copy these. I'm just putting in codes. So you might want to like pause the video and just write these down while I get these gems. And then, yeah, then we could do fun stuff. But yeah, let me get these codes. Snowyleopard. I know it's not pronounced leopard. That's how I pronounce it. So, yeah. Okay, let's just redeem the final codes already. Okay, supersheep. Boom! 750 gems. Now, one more code. Swiftdeer. That is the code. Continue. And another 750 gems. Boom. Yay! I actually have money on my account. Yeah, let's do something. What do I want to do? Also, if you wonder what that noise is,
it's my drone.
My friend is aiming a drone at me, and he attached a Nerf gun to it. So please go away. Please. Please. Okay, anyway, let's go straight to the township to just start doing stuff. Okay, I'm a duck. You're a duck. We are ducks. Oh, poop. Okay, I don't want to recycle. I want to recycle this. And that is it. I'm sorry about my dogs. Since they're annoying, I should probably just end the video. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed those codes as much as I did, and go have fun!